Good morning. Uh, One of my friend wanted to know how the property seized or being returned to the claimant. See, section 457 says 457 says the court must be informed about the seizure of the property, and then it is duty of the magistrate to uh, pass an order in respect of that property custody and disposal. So, if the property has been reported to have been seized before the magistrate, you have to file under section 457 as well as uh, 451 CRPC for return of property. Then, if the property has not been produced, then you have to file application under section 457 to produce the property and to return of the property. The question arises as to uh, how these properties to be returned on what ground. So Justice David Annusamy, the judge of our court, has given a extensive uh, ratio stating that if the respondent police or respondent authorities do not have sufficient space to keep the custody of the property seized to the open air or other damages, deteriorating the value of the property, the court must return the property to the either to the owner of the property or the person applicant claims that the property is that of his own, even if he is an accused. And this is the way the courts are ordering notice to respondent police alone initially, but in some of the cases they may also order notice to accused also. So in some cases the vehicles are being seized. The owner of the vehicle over the RC book may be that of complainant, that of accused or somebody else, but the finance under hire purchase agreement, financier may be the subsequent co-owner. Under that circumstances, the notice to the accused also be given. And under the suppose if some of the jewels were seized from the accused for 406, 498A, 306 cases, murder cases. So the accused may claim that these properties are belonging to him. If that would be the case, something should be decided by the court. Therefore, you have to substantiate that you are the owner of the vehicle, property seized, and you are entitled for the. In some cases, in gold cases, the courts are lenient enough to pass interim custody of the properties, stating that the photograph of the currency notes is being taken, the money may be spent, or the jewels maybe photographs may be taken, and properties are being returned on conditions. And but the court at the time of conclusion of the trial may also dispose the property seized in and concerned in the trial. And if you are aggrieved by that order, you can file appeal. There is an appellate provision 454 CRPC against that order. In some cases, the even restoration of possession of immovable property is also available under the very same chapter, in which the return of properties are discussed. That is one thing. The other thing was, so I would like to share with you an important aspect that admittedly domestic violences are there against a woman, but when I viewed Niyanana program, Star Vijay TV, the almost all literature women claims that they have got right to fight, harass, beat their husband. This is the scenario and transformation of social understanding maintenance of society, social, family is being developed. Uh, Another aspect I want to discuss that we have to keep in mind. Yesterday I had a bad experience. Uh, my wife Sakti Rani gave a complaint to H3 Aluman police station, stating that the staff engaged my son in my home, who is working along with me. Due to my age and sickness, he is only maintaining the entirety of the office. So he is having a woman clerk, very young age. She gave a complaint stating that I am calling that girl as my Marmagal. See, the term Marmagal is not only mother, daughter-in-law. Nieces are also called Marmagal, but I did not call like that. But that complaint was given cognizance by W13, Washermanpet Woman Police Inspector. She called me. Then when I tried to explain her, she says, "Okay, she called a writer, get letter of explanation from you." This is the way the police officials are dealing with the matter. Why they are giving importance to that lady? Because she is regularly a regular customer of the H3 police station, feeding them, greasing them. Therefore, that lady wanted to help her without understanding importance of me, my age, my experience, and my position as a central government standing councils. This is too unfortunate. I want to share with you all. Then another question arises: the return of property, if rejected, you can file 482 CRPC. If suppose investigation is pending, order in the nature of interim disposal, then you have to file 482. If it is final order that is stating that you are not at all entitled for return of property, pending trial, then you have to file revision against that. This is the proposition of law, I understand, and time and again the variation of judgments are being given in this area. Therefore, first of all, I humbly request all my friends, kindly explain me the details of your case, then put me the question so that I can accommodate you within the purview of my experience of knowledge and answer you aptly, so that you may keep an additional equipment in the process of helping the clients by legal procedure. And another one of my friend has in YouTube told me that some scratching is awkward, but I will try to control it. I am very aged, 67 years. I will try to control that also. If it is hurting or disturbing your watching procedures, then today onwards, cinema theatres are being opened. 50% how they are going to, but only few theatres are completely filled up even before pandemic. But now 50% would be filled up because of this vexatious circumstances we have faced for about 6 months plus, and some relaxation going to theatre. But still I request you, it is whether it is too healthy to go to theatres. The fast communication of corona whether could be prevented when you are being dumped in a room for 2.5 hours, and every possibility of inhaling. The major problem was that this corona is being communicated from one human being inhalation and exhalation of oxygen, and that communicates only corona rapidly. Therefore, kindly be aware of all those things. Best wishes.